Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the WordPress and how you can enable the SQL monitor to debugging your SQL queries. So sometimes you run into the WordPress is very slow and you don't have any clue about what's happening. But by using the SQL monitor, then you can it's easier to pinpoint which model that basically is running very slow. I have experience from this plugin by some cases in my normally work time, and then in the end of the movie we want to basically just add a gitignore to prevent by the vendor folder will be uploading and the content folder will be uploaded and something like that, and then we will start up with a little bit cleanup before we continue. So before we continue, we want to move this one. It's a mistake I've doing this in the previous video, and that's fine. And we can just put this in again, and no, we will do this in the terminal. Yeah. So before we continue, I really hope you want to stay and then subscribe my channel by clicking on the thing in the right corner below. Then you will subscribe my channel and get news based every time I'm pushing out the video, and I'm coding in different language. So just keep staying and make a comment if you need something special for me. And thank you, and hope to see you for the full movie. So let's starting to clean a little bit up. We have installed folder here. I will just say we need to say front end, and then put it inside here and say front end, and then we put it inside here and front end and put it inside here. And then we have the drop-ins. We want to say front end here, and then we basically create a new folder called front end, and I will put the configuration file inside here and remove this annoying HTML folder, and application should be it's already, and then we have WP content. No, we don't need that. We need the index into the folder here, and we need the index in the folder here, and I think that's basically what we need. And for that we can just remove the WP folder here, and we can remove the WP content. We don't need that, and you can see we are still outside the Docker files, and this we should not touch with. So that's the only stuff we need to have when we are working with Docker. Else we need to build their own themes and something like that. And then I just need to see about, we have destroyed the Docker desktop, we have the fpm here, so I need to clean up. And then we are spinning it up again. And yeah, I know that we got some bug here. Just a full path, so front end. And let's going for the browser. Not yet. I think that's something. It's not spelling as it should be. So after we have removed this, we just do it again. Docker volume, Docker image, and that look more nice. Let's wait until it's running up. Now when it's running up, let's see about it's everything is running. We have issue here and it's because we don't have changed anything in the nginx, so we need to do this, and we have deploy files here, and we have the front end here. So let's recreate that fast. I just recreated, you don't need to wait, and just do this. Now I have redestroyed and recreated again, and let's put it inside again, and we can see now it's basically working again. But we still don't have the query monitor because we have used a little bit of time to fixing up. So just getting up, and we will install that. Yes, and what we're going to do is say composer require dev plugin query monitor, and then we just wait until it's installed. We have installed 3.7, and just quit again, reload the page, and it should be here activated, and now you can already see that. If I go on the front end, you can see that, and now I can just see queries, and you can see that here, and query object cache, it's 94, that's meaning we already caching something, and the queries is meaning which queries we are running every time we are triggering. So you can just found this one and trying to do this a little bit smaller if you want. You can see VP query get post and set found posts. It's probably nothing you can do with that, but it could be. If it's inside the core, it's very hard to do. Then you need to request a pull request for the team and wait until this bug is being fixed, and else you are good to go to just hacking around with that. So that's very nice. I promise you, at the last in the movie, we want to add the gitignore to prevent some issues, and of course you want that, but before we do this, I will just copy this one. That's the query monitor. Right now I'm inside the Docker, so this is the file inside the Docker container. I'm just changing the view to the outside, and then I'm going to the composer file up here and copy that. That's meaning when I'm destroying the container and install it again, then I will get the query monitor inside. So that's very important when we use the query monitor to debug the WordPress systems. It's very useful, and we just put inside the gitignore here, create a new file .gitignore if you don't have it already, and inside here we want to say everything from vendor should be gone, except if you have the vendor VP folder, and then we say all inside the front end VP should be gone. So that's the way it's working when we are working with the gitignore, and it's pretty easy. And of course you can extend this file based on you putting inside the a custom content like themes and something like that. Then you will realize you probably make to change something like that. So yeah, that's everything for now, and I really hope you enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe my channel by clicking on the thing in the right corner below. I'll be very happy, and don't forget to download the code from GitHub. Everything is available here. And if you have any questions, please make comments below, and don't forget to like and share that video. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time.